Hello everyone, so these are the instructions for my Monday morning entry 2 class to do the work that I have sent you in an email. So have a look at the three pictures. Do you know who any of the people are? I think everybody knows the lady in pink in the middle is Queen Elizabeth II. And today, Tuesday the 21st of April, it is her birthday, and today she is 94 years old. So to celebrate her birthday, I have sent you a reading text about the royal family, which you can read and you can learn a little bit more about them. What about the man on the left? Do you recognise him? So he is William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare is a very famous English writer, and it is his birthday on the 23rd of April, so that is on Thursday this week. So to celebrate his birthday, I have sent you a reading text with some information about his life, and then there are some questions for you to answer about him. And the third one, the picture on the right, is of a knight on a horse, and that is St. George, because on Thursday, the 23rd of April, it is also St. George's Day, and St. George is the patron saint of England. So I have also put in my email 2 web links that you can click on, and you can find some activities about St. George's Day. So there's some reading, some vocabulary, some spelling, and a quiz about him. So when you have done that, there is also some work about order of adjectives. So can you remember what an adjective is? An adjective is a describing word. So things like big, interesting, red, fast, tall, beautiful, those are all adjectives. So they're all describing words. And when we make a sentence and we use more than one adjective, in English there are special rules about the order of those adjectives. So, for example, if you are describing a car, we will always say a beautiful big red car. We would never say a red big beautiful car or a big red beautiful car. So there is a rule for adjectives. This is the order that we put adjectives in. So first, opinion, second, size, third, physical quality, fourth is age, fifth is shape, sixth is colour, 7 is origin, so where it's from, 8 is the material, and 9 is the purpose, or what we use it for. So that's the rule for adjective order for you. So you need to look at this page. There's a letter about arranged marriages. Read the letter, and then can you do exercise 2 underneath and also activity B? When you have done that, have a look at the photo of the people at the engagement party, and can you do activity 2 and 3 and 4, which all help you practice adjective order. And then after you have done that, in my email you will find some web links to some online games which will help you to practice adjective order. And then after that, I have also attached a reading text which is called Sniff. So there is a reading text, and then there is a worksheet with some questions for you to answer. So I hope that is enough work to keep you busy. I hope everyone has a good week. And if you have any questions, just send me a text message or send me an email and I'm happy to help you. Okay, bye bye.